legal words. They are hard to understand for normal human beings. So I'm a law student. I have done my constitution in my second year. That is why I'll break down the preamble for you all. Words that when you come to know, you'll be able to understand the preamble. The first is we the people of India. Any guesses what do I mean by we the people of India? What does the term mean, we the people of India? No. Raise your hand. Whoever is answering. Raise. Good. Your other. Yeah. Stand up. Come.
It means we are the citizens of India.
That's right. By this word, we the people of India, this is understanding that all those people who are living in India are people of India. But in legal word, what does it mean? When our Indian constitution was framed, all of you know when first who used to rule us before independence? Britishers. So there was constitution at that time. No? Right? So when did our constitution come in force? 26th November of 1949, 1947, right? It is written in the preamble. So the Britishers, when they gave us independence, to our independence leaders, they told that India should be ruled by certain rules there should be in the country. Like they all have uniform in school. Well, the teachers are giving lectures. Can you all move out from the class? Can you all that side? Yes or no? No, na? So basically, India is such a big country. More than 130 crore people are living in it. So how will the country be ruled? So what is the nature of the Indian constitution? Any guesses?
Treating everybody with equality.
What she said, treating everyone equally. All of you are wearing uniform. What does it indicate? All are equal. If you all are wearing color uniform, color clothes, some person might have worn branded, some common. So inequality would be there, right? So uniforms are indication of equality. So I'll tell you the nature. First thing is sovereignty. What do you mean by sovereignty? Sovereignty means the people, the government who we elect is independent to rule the country. We don't need any person who is outside the country. Like other countries, do we need them? India is independent, right? After independence. So first is, India is a sovereign country. That means people of India are independent to govern our own country. Now second word is socialist. What do I mean by socialist? Any guess? I know it is the sun is heating. I take 10 minutes. In 10 minutes we'll be over. But any guesses what is socialist? So socialist means when the government is working, they should work for the welfare of the people. So any scheme that government brings, they bring for the welfare of the people. Government does not bring any scheme to make people their life more difficult, right? So socialist means welfare of the people. The third word is secular. What do you mean by secular? Come.